everyone, this is Suzanne from Wickham Financial and Insurance Services, bringing you another short video today. Wanted to talk about, I get a lot of people calling me and I'm shopping for rates and my neighbor's car insurance is a lot cheaper than mine. So I wanted to go over some factors that determine insurance rates. So when you're shopping, I want to give you some information on details that affect whether it's going to be higher or lower. So some of the basics is, of course, the age of the driver. The younger the driver, the ones under 25 years old, will have typically higher rates than an older driver. And it tends to be that the males that are under 25 years old may have a more expensive rate than a female. So once you start getting older, they feel like you're going to have less accidents, you have more experience driving, so the rates are better as you get older. Another thing is driving records. So drivers that have past current claims within the last 3 years, or if you have accidents and tickets, violations, that is going to affect your rate and make it higher. If you even have past claims, they look at those. Even though they may not be charging additional premium for them, they look at your driving record. And if you seem to be a driver that has a lot of things happening in your past, that can affect your rate and make it higher as well. The type of vehicle that you drive. It is dependent on the size of the vehicle. Larger vehicles tend to be a little bit less expensive than the smaller because they usually suffer less damage in the event of an accident. And then you have performance. So of course a high performance vehicle is going to have a higher rate, like a sports car, versus, and they feel like if you're gonna have a sports car, you might drive more aggressively than someone who is not driving a sports car. The value and the age of your vehicle. As a simple rule of thumb on this one, the more expensive the car, then the more expensive it is going to be to insure it. So the car features, the more safety features that you get on a vehicle, the better your rate will be because they're going to apply more discounts. So some people are like, well, this car's a 1990 and my 2020 is cheaper. The 2020 vehicle has more safety features on it. Therefore, it can be cheaper in insurance than the older cars. That's just the way the insurance companies are looking at it. And they're talking about anti-lock brakes, airbags, anti-theft devices. The more you can get on the car, the more discount they will apply. Your vehicle usage and location. So if you are just using your vehicle for personal use to the grocery store, picking up the kids from school, that type of thing, it tends to be cheaper than if you drive your vehicle to work and back, or if you're using your vehicle for business use. And then as well, where you live, the location. So if you live in a smaller town, less population, versus a densely populated area like the Atlanta metro area, it's going to be more expensive because there's just more chances. They look at statistics, there's more chance of you having an accident in the more densely populated areas. So just ways to save on it while you're shopping. You know, again, just raise your deductibles possibly, keep a good driving record, take a defensive driving course, drive a car that has safety features, and you can also install a anti-theft device yourself if you'd like and see if that helps your rates. Just speak to your agent about it and whatever company you're with, see what else they might have available for you. I hope it's helpful. Thank you for watching today.